Danielle Peterson here from Infrastructure News. Today we are interviewing Yashvir Balaram. He is the Manager of Asset Management Business Unit at VNA. Yashvir, tell us a bit about the responsibilities of roads authorities in terms of managing and maintaining their road systems.
Okay, road authorities they play a fundamental role in terms of service delivery. Their core responsibilities are generally planning, designing, construction and maintenance. But of those four, maintenance is actually the key. If I can sum it up in just one sentence, I think that road authorities have a duty to protect limited public funding in the road infrastructure itself.
Okay, and in terms of analysing the state of the roads in order to determine a maintenance schedule, what options have typically been available?
Well, typically, road authorities would make use of some sort of a road asset management system or a RAMS, which is essentially a systematic approach to decision making. So, yeah, road authorities would firstly start with their network inventory and undertake data collection, the data analysis, and that would result in a maintenance strategy of sorts.
Okay, now VNA has the TSD system, which is used for road asset management. Tell us a bit about that. It's new, so would you tell us a bit about that and how it is potentially better than the older options on the market?
Well, the existing technology to measure pavement structural condition is the falling weight deflectometer, or the FWD. The TSD is essentially an evolution of that technology. By no means has it been designed to replace that technology. It's just an evolution to enhance asset management capabilities. So, unlike the FWD, which measures the structural capacity of the pavement whilst the vehicle is stationary, the traffic speed deflectometer, as the name suggests, is able to do the same job, but obviously at traffic speeds. And in doing so, it reduces the risks that are inherently involved in operating the FWD. Safety is the primary risk that exists. For the FWD to undertake its measurements, it has to be stationary. This poses a risk to the operators as well as to the general public. And that requires detailed traffic control as well, which is also very costly. The TSD reduces these risks because it's obviously moving, so it eliminates the need for detailed traffic control.
Okay, now the TSD system is also very automated. So how does that compare to other systems that are perhaps more manual, and what are the advantages of the automation?
Apart from just being automated, I think one of the other key features is that it's a fully integrated system as well. And automation is crucial in road asset management systems because we find a lot of inaccuracies and misaligned reports resulting from the way that data has been collected in the conventional sense. So in terms of automation, the TSD incorporates a lot of different forms of technology into one unit. It measures, or it has the capability of measuring pavement deflection. It can measure surface roughness, the rutting, texture, and it's got an automated crack detector installed in it as well, which is able to not only detect cracking as little as 1 millimeter on the road, but also able to quantify as well as categorize the different types of cracks. Obviously, it being automated and fully integrated means that there's less risk of errors, and the subjectivity component, which is inherent in manual methods of data collection, is now essentially eliminated.
And what are some of the benefits of having this, particularly in terms of cost savings?
Well, cost savings is actually twofold. Immediately, there's cost savings in the data collection process itself. Now, instead of deploying different teams who want to collect deflections, the other to analyze the functional condition of the pavements, the TSD is actually a combination of all of these technologies into one tool. However, if you expand on that in terms of cost savings, the technology is at a level whereby it is there to assist the decision makers, such as these road authorities, to enhance the accuracy of their data collection, which has a knock-on effect in terms of enhancing their maintenance strategies. So we are now at a stage where we are fine-tuning maintenance strategies, which gives us optimized expenditure in terms of our annual budgets. So we're seeing our buck go a lot further than it conventionally would.
Fantastic. Thanks very much for your time, Yashvir.
Thank you.